The Gemini card is finally here, and in today's video I'm gonna bring you guys all the details, how to get it, what are the rewards, fees. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis, and if you guys love the best crypto videos, leave a like, subscribe below, and also if you want to join my community where you guys can reach out to me, but not just me, but many other huge crypto YouTubers such as your friend Andy, the Decade Investor, and many more crypto YouTubers, you guys can join Sleep Money Club. I'm happy to announce that I'm a partner of Sleep Money Club, which is a very friendly crypto community that focuses on crypto passive income in many ways, whether it's nodes, mining, DeFi, any way possible that you can earn crypto while you sleep. So if you guys are interested, my link is in the pinned comment and description below so you guys can join. So guys, today we're going to talk about the Gemini Credit Card. I've been using Gemini for many months now, and to be honest with you guys, it's definitely one of my favorite exchanges because of the low fees. And not just that, they have zero withdrawal fees as well. And now with a Gemini Credit Card, which is one of the first crypto credit cards, I'm going to tell you guys here all the details. I already ordered mine. It's getting mailed out to me to 5 to 7 days, but I can already start using it because I have the digital version and all the information on my phone. So if by the end of the video, if you guys are interested in this card and you guys still don't have a Gemini account, you guys can use my referral code for Gemini and you guys will get, I believe, $20 in Bitcoin now. It used to be 10, now it's 20. And like I said, they have very low fees as well as free withdrawals. So the question that you guys been waiting for, which is probably the biggest one, is what are the rewards on this credit card? And that's right, it's a credit card. So it's different from a debit card, which is what Coinbase uses. And basically this is the same as any other credit card. Once you guys sign up, they're gonna check your credit score and they're gonna give you a limit and APR based on your credit score. So what are the rewards? You can earn up to 3% cash back. I wish it was 3% on everything, but there's certain tier. And the way that this works is every time you use this card, anything dining related, I guess whether it's fast food or whether at a restaurant, you guys will get 3% cash back, which is pretty good. Now the second one is 2% cash back, and this one is only for groceries. That is right, only for groceries when you guys are either in ShopRite, Wegmans, Whole Foods, wherever you guys get your groceries. And then the last one is just 1% cash back, and that goes for anything else that you use this card for. And you're probably asking, what crypto can I earn these cashback rewards in? And the answer is basically all the cryptos that is in Gemini, which is huge because this is probably the first time that you can earn on a variety of cryptos such as Terra, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Polygon, Litecoin, Chainlink, Phantom, and even ApeCoin. So basically all the coins that you have on Gemini, which is a huge variety and they're always adding new ones, you guys can earn in that crypto. You guys can change it anytime you guys want. So let's say I want to earn this coin when I go out to a restaurant tonight, and then maybe the next day you want to earn on this coin, right? So I think this is where Gemini shines. And what's awesome about these cards is that it's passively, right? You're making transactions and you're earning crypto passively. Now on to the next question, which is what are the fees for this card? Is there an annual fee, for example? And the answer is no annual fee, which is great. But there are two big fees, which is a late payment fee of $20. That means if you miss a payment on your credit card for Gemini, you get a fee of $20. And the other fee is a return payment fee of $30. This basically means that when you go to pay your credit card and you get a return that rejects it, I guess, you get a fee of $35. So don't forget to make your payments on time and also pay it with the right payments so it doesn't get returned and you guys don't get these huge fees added on. And to conclude, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on this card. Obviously I still haven't used it, it's still coming. I'm obviously gonna bring a review video in 1 or 2 months maybe of using it daily, but just looking at this card, comparing it to Coinbase for example, my truly honest opinion is it's great, right? But it's not awesome. I look at this card more as a situational card if you guys are going out to eat at a restaurant. But other than that, the cashback is going to be pretty low at just 1%. And you're better off using the Coinbase debit card at that point. If you guys want to learn more about the Coinbase debit card, you guys can watch my video right here. I give you guys here an in-depth review about the Coinbase debit card, which still is my favorite one at the moment because it has a huge 4% cashback, but on a small variety of cryptos, which include XLM, the Graph, and I think a couple other ones. But also I'll be bringing videos on strategies on how to gain both of these two cards. For example, you can use the Gemini card and then pay it off with your Coinbase card, right? So you're getting both cashbacks from both cards. Now obviously I'm going to put this to action and see if this is even possible, but I'll be bringing a strategy video on that in the future so you guys can be updated. But yeah guys, that's the Gemini card. If you guys want to sign up for it, you guys can use my Gemini referral in the description below and start earning cashback in like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, ApeCoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a huge variety of crypto, which is awesome. Yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Check my Coinbase debit card review right here at the top, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.